Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this bird painting with alcohol ink. And before we start, let us go through the safety tips for alcohol ink art. Make sure to pause the video and read it completely. And this is the photo paper I'm using, ultra premium high gloss photo paper from Staples. But you could also use Nara paper or Yupo paper or any other synthetic paper for this painting. And to blend the ink, I use the 91% isopropyl alcohol and I put it in a small bottle. And I always tell in every video I use the back side of the photo paper, not the glossy side. So first let us draw a basic outline of a bird by using this Cali art markers, which is alcohol ink based markers. You could use any brand of alcohol ink based markers. The advantage is that it blends easily with alcohol. That's why we use this pen. And I'm just drawing a basic shape of a bird. For that you can Google it and use any bird as a shape and draw the outline. And the colors that I'm going to be using are red and magenta and black. But birds can be in any color, so you can choose any color combinations that you have, not necessarily that you have to follow my color combinations. When we see nature, we see all sorts of birds, and the color I'm using is Poppy Field, which is the name of the color. Basically it's a red paint. And first I'll put drops of Poppy Field color into this bird, and then I just wait until it is dry. So to dry, I'm using this blower I got from Amazon. You can search in Amazon as air puffer or something, and then you can buy it. And then now I'm adding the isopropyl alcohol. As you can see, when I add isopropyl alcohol, the color starts blending. And make sure you blow it within the outline of the bird, so it will be neat and clean. So gently blow it, not too forcefully. So I just add alcohol ink and start blending like this throughout the shape. If you want to correct any areas where you have to erase some of the alcohol ink, you just use a Q-tip dipped in isopropyl alcohol, and then you can clean it. And also use a tissue paper dipped in isopropyl alcohol, and then you can easily wipe off the excess paint. So now I'm again using Cali art markers at different colors to draw the body of the bird. I use a light yellow color for this. And like I said earlier, you can use any color combination that you prefer. Whatever is your favorite bird, you can make in this technique. So now I'm using color pitch black and magenta, and I'm going to be mixing these two colors on the side on a piece of wax paper. And then I use one piece of wax paper, I roll it and I use it like a brush to dip it and apply the paint. So you are getting magenta with black, so a mix of both, which gives dark magenta or dark purple. That is the color you are going to get. And for the eyes, I dipped a toothpick into white acrylic paint and I'm applying a dot on the eye to show the reflection. And I let the bird dry completely, and then once it's dry, now is the fun part. I add a drop of isopropyl alcohol into the wings, and then I just gently blow it, so you get the abstract wings effect. So it's very beautiful. You can do it very gently, not to put too much alcohol into the ink. Just a drop will do.